You'll drop $25,000 on a new truck, but you won't spend $2,500 a month to keep your phone ringing? Let's talk about priorities. Most contractors invest in tools, gear, and equipment that sit idle when leads dry up. But when it comes to marketing, the one thing that actually gets you work, they pull back, or worse, ignore it. And then the slow season hits. You're not booked. You're discounting jobs. And suddenly the 60K truck becomes a rolling billboard with no one to call. Meanwhile, the guy down the street is spending 7 to 10% of his revenue on marketing every month, and he's never wondering where their next job is coming from. If you want consistent, high quality jobs, start treating marketing like the essential tool it is. 40% to Google Ads, 25% to SEO, 50% to reviews and retargeting. Build the system that works when you don't. Want to turn marketing into our highest ROI tool? Visit contractormarketingpros.net. Let's put your growth on autopilot.